We all know that there are multiple ways to get into IT, but the most common way people know about is to start in a help desk position. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Helpdesk, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. So today I want to talk about how to not get trapped in Helpdesk Hell. We all know that there are multiple ways to get into IT, but the most common way people know about is to start in a help desk position. This is usually achieved by acquiring certifications like ITF, A+, Network Plus, or Security Plus. Basically, CompTIA certs in general. And I get it, this is the easiest way to get into the industry. But going that route comes with some limitations. The first limitation is the type of jobs that are available to you. With these certifications, you typically are limited to positions like help desk or desktop support, field tech, or data center techs. And secondly, it's difficult to level up your IT career when you start in these positions because these certifications, they typecast you, meaning you will mostly be offered similar jobs in the same type of environment. It's very important to know how and when to break away from the help desk environment and get other certifications and training that can help you advance your IT career. Some of the students who come to us with some IT background, they understand how difficult it can be to break away from the help desk type of jobs. Another limitation is that you don't have enough exposure to new cutting-edge technologies. Help desk and data center tech type of jobs are actually designed to support high-tech infrastructures. But with these support jobs, your exposure to the new cutting-edge technologies are limited because you are not expected to design, engineer, or perform any high-impact work. And of course, there is the salary issue. As you know, your salary is always directly correlated to your level of expertise, your level of exposure, and most importantly, how critical your job is to the organization. So if you want to position your IT career for future growth, check us out at yellowtail.tech and see what we're about. If it looks like a good fit, schedule a career strategy session with our team and let's talk about it. And of course, if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.